we have VITÁO and RUSS with their song called Quando. So this one is a 4-chord song, very easy to handle the chords as well with one string pattern. So let's take a look at this song here. We need to set our capo here on the 1st fret, and with that we're going to start with the D7 sus2 chord. Sounds a lot harder than it is actually. So this is just open D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. That's the D7 chord. The next one is the G6. Very easy as well. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and open E. It's a lot of open strings. And the same case with the next chord, the C major 7. You just take the same grip and move it one string down. So that gives us 3rd on A, 2nd on D, then open G, open B, and open E. That was the C major 7. And then we have the last one, the A with a C sharp in the bass. One as well. So what you do here, you put a bar on the 2nd fret from the D string and down. So that means 4 strings from bottom up like this. And then you add the 4th fret on A. And you can also incorporate the 5th on B. This is not necessary, it's just for the song. Fits very well here. So 5th on B. So that gives us sound. All right, you can try to avoid the last E string there if you wish. It sounds good to stop on the B string as the last string. Just a detail there, not that important actually. And that is the 4 chords we need: the D7, the G6, the C major, and the AC. All right, so one thing left, that is the strumming pattern. Grab that D7 chord since that is the 1st chord, and one round will be down, up, clap, up. Okay, so down, up, clap, up. On the last up there, you can just kind of turn your wrist like this, and you don't have to go full up like that. So you hit the last E string here, or even B or so. So alright, so now you have all the tools you need for this song. You're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord. So with this chord progression, it will sound like this. So on. So that is what's going on through the entire song. So good luck with this one. VITÁO and RUSS, Quando. See you soon, guys. Play tuned.